Somewhere there's a dog out here. A little bit of jingle jangle in the background. He'll pop up somewhere. In the meantime, Pacific Northwest Washington, Skagit County in particularly. Oh, what's that? What's coming? Ah, there's a doggy. Have you know that every single one of my videos will have a dog in it? Not just a dog, my best friend, Gus, who is Ellie Mae's son. I no longer have Ellie Mae, but I have Gus. And he's my best friend. Having so much fun out here. This is our new favorite spot. This is a tree line, like over here. This is all tree line right along the Skagit River. Don't forget the pig. Can't forget the pig. Come here, Gus! Gus! Get over here! I hear another dog in the distance. Oh my goodness, you're gonna go right past me. Best friend. Oh, this is so cool. I love this. Seeing a leaf right here, and it's like full of water. It's so cool. It's holding water like perfectly. There it is. It's a little cup. Alright, forgot I was filming for a second. He's really smelling that leaf. He's on to something. Somebody pissed on that. You know it too. It's probably him. It's a nice little meadow. There's some housing developments though. Ugh, right there. But other than that, it's a nice little meadow right here in town. Mount Vernon. Whoa! What'd I do?